All right, so today we saw a GameStop fall about another 10% as the entire market sold off. Nasdaq was down over 4%, S&P down 4%, Dow down like 3 and change. Crazy, absolute craziness in the market as a whole. Are we getting close to the mother of all short squeezes? It's really interesting that the market's now selling off right before the shareholder meeting coming up, the vote for the split, the vote for more shares to then enable the split. Of course, there's a lot of other macroeconomic factors going on right now, like inflation is just one, the war in Europe's another. I mean, it could be, I can go on and on, right? So it could have nothing to do with that. It could just be the macroeconomics as a whole, but there's huge sell-offs right now. When you see a name like Coca-Cola today, down 6%, Costco down 12%, Target, bad earnings, down 25%. Holy cannoli, like, there's a huge company. And like, start seeing a lot of companies start coming back to their valuations before the pandemic. It's like, whoa, we've taken a huge step back, right? Everything is upside down all over the place. And the saga continues. They'll continue to short it. And of course, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving my personal thoughts and opinions, but it is of my opinion that the real reason the hedge funds don't want the mother of all short squeezes, it's not even the money, right? It's not even the money, right? It's like, it's the value of the truth. That's the best way to put it. The fact that they'll be able to say, these guys on Reddit who are doing due diligence, looking into the numbers, looking at every move within the data, and a lot of people calling them tinfoil hats, right? Like conspiracy theorists, shorts have covered, this and that, whatever you want to think. But the real reason the mother of all short squeezes hasn't happened, I really don't even think it's about the monetary value. I think somehow, some way, they cough up that money, the government could bail them out, right? There's a lot of different things that could happen. But what's worse than even the monetary value in the short term, right? Your monetary value in the long term. Loss of faith within the market, loss of faith of legitimacy in the US stock markets, right? So if that's happening with GameStop, it's like, okay, well, what other companies is this happening with? How many times do you see a stock have good news and it's up like 70% for the day, let's say, and then the float trades like 5 times over? It's like, okay, well, we know someone's holding those shares. You really think every single share is trading over 5 times over? And if it is, then it's like, okay, well, that's probably a lot of algorithms too. And it's like, okay, that's another problem with our system. What I'm getting at here is the financial system is outdated and it's starting to be exposed. And individuals like myself continue to research this and have eyes on this and realize like there's something, we have a huge problem in our system. Like our financial system is very outdated, has lots of issues. Like how do we, like if we're not really sure, like there are shares that exist. Shares are something people are buying with their money. It's an asset. If assets aren't actually their value, like that's a huge issue to our macroeconomics, right? Like that's massive. So I think the real reason the mother of all short squeezes hasn't happened is the value of the truth. The value of the truth and the reality sink into the public that we need updated financial markets. We need a new financial system. We need reform, right? I'm not here to tell you exactly what to do or how to fix it because I don't know. The truth is, I don't know. All this stuff, I still wrap my head around it every day, how crazy it is, right? Whether it's the GameStop or just the stock markets or the crypto markets as a whole. And I'll just continue to hold my favorite stock because I believe in the company. And any stocks I own right now is just companies I believe in, and I especially believe in their management. And that's why I love Ryan Cohen so much. Have a great day.